here's what happens when Chase is going to eat Iam's canned food. He just can't even deal with it. I'm going to try to open it. Him in the background. It'll be hard. Yeah. Get down, puppy. Get down. Get down. Okay, wait a minute. Got it open. There we go. No. You can't get up yet. Wait a minute. Okay. Get over there. Go. Okay, here he goes. I'm putting it in. Hey. What? What is it? What is going on? Look. Oh, look at that. Oh, no, get down. Ready? Oh, I know. Look at that. Oh, no, get down. Oh, gosh, that's going to be good. Would you get down? Okay. Alrighty. Here we go. Woo! Oh my gosh, you just can't even sit still. Huh? What? Okay, up. Hold on. Hold it. Uh-oh. I dropped a little bit on the floor. It's too hard to film this and get you jumping up in the air at the same time. What was that? Hey, would you get down? Get down. Okay.